Hello bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says for the decomposition of ozone in oxygen, that is O3 gas giving O2 gas, which of these is correct? We have four options. Delta H of reaction is negative, delta S of reaction is negative, delta G of reaction is negative at only low temperature, delta G of reaction is negative at only high temperature. So in order to solve this question, the key concept that is required is Gibbs Helmholtz equation. Helmholtz equation. All right. So यहाँ पर क्या है? We are talking about this reaction O3 gas giving O2 gas. So the balanced form of this reaction will be O3 gas giving O2 gas and 2O3 giving 3O2. So here we can see that 2 मोल ओजोन के 2 मोल्स ऑक्सीजन के 3 मोल्स दे रहे हैं. That means प्रोडक्ट साइड में नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इंक्रीज हो रहा है. That means the randomness is also increasing. So randomness is given by delta S. So entropy increase हो रही है product side में. That means delta S will be positive. Alright. Secondly, हमें पता है कि ओजोन ऑक्सीजन से कम स्टेबल है एंड ऑक्सीजन ओजोन से ज्यादा स्टेबल है. So when oxygen is being formed from ozone, energy must be released. Alright. So this is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. So delta H is equal to negative. और इस चीज को हम एनर्जी प्रोफाइल डायग्राम से भी वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज एनर्जी एंड दिस इज रिएक्शन. सो O3 टू O2 जो रिएक्शन होती है, दिस इज O3 की एनर्जी लेवल. सो दिस राइजेस एंड देन फॉल्स डाउन at this level and this is the level of O2. So as we can see, O2 का जो energy level है that is less than that of O3. So इसकी जो energy difference है from O2 to O3, this is negative. So this is delta H of reaction which is negative. Alright. Now let us use Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Gibbs-Helmholtz equation is this one. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Alright. So delta H की वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव है. दिस इज अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू माइनस टेम्परेचर इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. Temperature is always positive and delta S is negative. So delta S is positive over here. Alright. So negative minus positive quantity to positive quantity, that is positive quantity. So negative minus a positive quantity, that means negative minus negative. Alright. So इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? नेगेटिव ही रहेगी हमेशा irrespective of the temperature. So temperature कम हो या ज्यादा हो, delta G will always be negative. So this is always negative. So if you look at the reactions, if you look at the options, delta R of H, the reaction enthalpy is negative. This is true. Delta R of S, that means entropy change of reaction is negative, which is false because हम अभी देखे that entropy change is positive. Then delta Rg, that means Gibbs change in free energy, is negative only at low temperature. This is false. And Gibbs change in free energy is negative only at high temperature. This is also false because ये temperature कम हो या ज़्यादा हो, delta G will always be negative. So the only correct answer is option number A. Delta H of reaction is negative. This is the required solution and I hope you understood the concept well. Best of luck.